skin is glowing, my energy is flowing, confidence growing, glow up is loading. When I look in the mirror, I see everything.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicki, also known as Cute as Button, and I'm happy you could join us here. This channel focuses on fashion, lifestyle, and also just me navigating my life after divorce, picking up the pieces. So if that's something that interests you, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell for notifications so that you don't miss a thing whenever I post. Y'all, I got a confession to make to you guys. This reddish brown color has me in the chokehold. As you guys see, I already have the curly. So this video is going to be a UNice wig unboxing. I think reddish brown is going to be my color for fall. I actually had to run it back because they're having a sale right now, and I'll put the links and everything in the description. But I had to go get a body wave because why not? Fall is for me showing out, all right? Revamping my look. So if you're ready for this, stay tuned. All right, if you guys are looking to switch up your hairstyle for the fall season, you don't have to look any further because UNice definitely has the girlies covered with their amazing glueless reddish brown hair. All right, with UNice glueless hair, you can achieve a stunning and natural look without any fuss. That's whether you want to add some length, whether you want volume, whether you just want some color. The reddish brown wig is the perfect choice, all right? It blends in seamlessly with our own hair. It's totally natural looking, all right? So I'm unboxing the goodies. So I had a band, some wig caps. Y'all, I stayed misplacing my makeup brushes. It's like they just get up and walk off of my counter. But whatever, I'm so happy they sent me another one for, you know... I can blend and keep this wig looking natural. They also sent me some lashes. And because I bought this wig during their back to school sale, you see they have this lovely, nice packaging, a glittery, sparkly pen, all right? All that glitters, you know, all the stuff that the girlies like. So they definitely know what they're doing, throwing in those goodies for the packaging, all right? So now, as we get on to the actual specs of the wig. So, oh, can't forget the carry pouch. All right. So this wig is actually the UNice Wear Go 6 by 4.5 pre-cut lace reddish brown body wave air wig. And when I tell y'all, it is top tier, chef's kiss. 10 out of 10 recommend. So this is me just taking it out. Look how it just glides, y'all. Look at this. This is the pre-cut lace. That reddish brown color is just everything. You have an adjustable headband, and sorry, I'm taking the stuff out so you guys can see it better, but I just wanted to show you the inside. So what I mean by an air wig mean, honestly, it has room for my scalp to breathe. Like if my head is itching, my actual hair is itching, I can get in there and without worrying about anything. See, I can actually let my scalp breathe, and my real hair, I can get to it. But who is not going to be acting up this fall? All right, y'all, so I went upstairs, I cut off the lace, I put a little bit of powder. Now, who not ready to just pull up? Where I'm not ready to go? Like, what? Do y'all see this? Like, I'm putting my head down so y'all can see, like, and remember this joint is glueless, so you really ready to pull up and just serve. Like, you can't tell me nothing with this hair. Wait till I get my nails done, I'm gonna be back on my baddie stuff. But anyways, y'all, if you enjoyed this video, just remember I will have the links in the description to actually both wigs because UNice is having a sale. So you know we don't gatekeep over here, so make sure you click on the links so that you can copy one, all right, or two. I thank you guys for watching my channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and share this with somebody. I love you for watching. Bye.